Hi friends, welcome to our page. Today we will do the unboxing for our coffee machine. As you can see here, it's 20 bar coffee machine and it's written all kind of coffee depend on your mood, which has espresso, cappuccino, latte, built-in frother, this one, and drip coffee, and see the LCD screen as well. Let's do the unboxing. This has guarantee card, user manual, it comes with espresso adapter, yeah. Hi friends, now you can see this one is 4-in-1. This side you can make with this adapter. You fill in the espresso here and make the powder better, and you can fix it. This part you can make your espresso, and with the help of milk frother you can make cappuccino latte. Here you can see the drip coffee, which is showing the 12 cups. This is the cup, and this spoon is for drip coffee. And here, if you will come, this has the filter inside, and if you will come here, this has the filter inside, which you can make the drip coffee. So with the good looking stainless steel here from the side, this side you can see. Thank you so much.